Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to patch your Opencore Hackintosh iGPU. Now you can see on my system I have Intel UHD 620, but it is showing only 4 MB graphics memory with no acceleration. So we're going to patch this to show correctly. Now the first thing we're going to do is head to our browser and then search for Opencore Configurator eTechBox. Now click on the first link that heads to eTechBox and then we can click on download. Allow. Next, we're going to go to Tania guide, which is the guide we're going to use to patch our iGPU. So let's head to Tania guide. I will provide these links in the video description. Now on Tania guide, click on get started. And then at the left sidebar under configs, select your hardware. In my case, this is Intel laptop. And I'm using an 8th gen CPU and the code name is Coffee Lake. So I'm just going to select it from here. Now scroll by the sidebar and you should find device properties. Now click on device properties under Coffee Lake or wherever your hardware is, and then scroll down and you should find a guide. Now this guide is for making iGPU work on your hardware. In this case I am using a Coffee Lake and the iGPU is UHD 620. Now let's go to about this Mac and you can see my graphics is UHD 620 and it's showing 4 MB. So I'm going to be configuring for UHD 620, you can see right there. Let's minimize our browser for now. Now let's run Opencore Configurator from our download folder. So let's run it. Now if you get a prompt like this, just click on OK and then go to System Settings on your Mac. Now go to Privacy and Security and then scroll down to the bottom. And you should find Opencore Configurator. Allow, open anyway, enter your password to confirm you're the one, and then modify settings. Now click on open. So you can see Opencore Configurator is now running. Now look at the top right corner and you should find the icon for Opencore Configurator. Click on it and then we can mount our EFI partition. So click on mount partition. Enter your password to confirm. And it should load up in Opencore Configurator. So we can see right here. Now we're going to go to device properties and from here we're going to add a new field and then we're going to impute the data from Tania guide. Now if you look down you should see a plus icon to add a new field, so click on that. Now let's head back to our browser and then under here you should see the first section to add, and we're going to add this entire field PCI root OX0 and the rest of them. So copy it exactly as it is and then head back to Opencore Configurator. Now let's paste it there. Paste and then hit enter. Next we are going to configure the keys that are going to be under that value. So click on plus under this section and then head back to Tania guide. Now the first section we're going to enter is AAPL IG platform ID. So we're going to copy that field, AAPL platform ID, head back to Opencore Configurator, and then we'll paste it under key. Paste. Now we can head back again, and you should see the value for your hardware. In my case, I'm using UHD 620, so I'm going to use the second 00009B3E. So that's what I'm going to copy since I'm using UHD 620. So copy whichever it is for your hardware and then paste it under value. Make sure the type is set to data. Paste it under value and then let's head back. Now the next field we have to impute is device ID, and you can see for those using UHD 630 you don't need a fake device ID, but for those using UHD 620 or any other different iGPU you may need this depending on your hardware. So in my case I'm going to use this, so let's copy device ID and then paste it in there as well. So we're going to click on plus again to add new data and then head back to Tania guide to get the value. Now if you scroll down you should see other data for setting DVMT, and you can see frame buffer patch, stolen mem and FB mem. We also need to preview these columns as well. So just do it the same way. I'm just going to speed run this process. And we are done. Now click on File, and then we can save changes by clicking on Save. After doing this, you can close Opencore Configurator, restart your PC, make sure to reset NVRAM the first time, and then you can restart into macOS the second time, and your iGPU should be detected. So we've restarted our Mac. Now we can go to About this Mac, and you should see our graphics is now detected, UHD 620 with 1.5 gigabytes graphics memory. So basically, this is how to patch your iGPU to work on any version of macOS. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.